I have given, the petition gives, this is from the petition, to look at the last page at the bottom. This gives the actual analysis of the plots that have been changed in 24 cases by Mr. Vishwajit Rane and the Town Planning Department. 24 cases from April till June. Last notification has come somewhere 22nd of June. And we are showing that all the changes are from paddy fields to settlement, natural cover to settlement, orchard to settlement. Out of 100%, all these 3 zones have been converted on the ground that they are wrong zones. Now, if a forest is a forest, how can you say it is a wrong zone? And it is a paddy field as per the Form 1 and 14. How do you say it is a wrong zone? And if it is a hill slope and the Town Planning Department has marked it as an NDZ, how do you say it is a wrong zone and that it should be made into a settlement zone? So this is the absurdity of what they are doing, which means now the Vishwajit Rane in a Facebook post has said there are 6 crore square meters like this which have to be changed, which have been wrongly shown in the regional plan. They are wrongly shown as forest area, as orchard area, as paddy field or whatever it is, and it is my duty to do a service to the people of Goa and to get all these zones changed.
The rights of the people are being violated all along. Making of the regional plan is a participatory process. As per the 73rd and 74th Amendment of the Constitution, the plans have to be made at the local body level and then it is finalized. Now, this regional plan was made by a participatory process, but now when the amendment comes in, that 17(2) amendment comes in, there is no participatory process of the people. People have no say in the plan. So if the village has sent up a plan and there is some change which is happening, the people of the village will not know. This is done in the quiet, and whenever any plans are made, it has to be looked as a whole, not as small pieces of plots which are changed into zone. And as we have and the second point that I wanted to make is the TCP Minister, Mr. Vishwajit Rane, has made a statement that he does not want to have a regional plan. That is totally wrong. It violates the rights of the people.
Compromise ecological assets, number one. Number two, we cannot compromise on our democratic rights as citizens of Goa, which means that I should have a right not just to know what is happening, but also a right in the decision of planning.